Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be making a container to hold all of your 4th of July items. You can use it for anything that you want. You could just put candy in all of the containers, or you could put like the poppers and the little confetti things that you get at Walmart in one of the containers. You could do glow sticks or anything 4th of July that you wanted to put in it, you can. So I'm going to show you how I did mine, and I think it turned out so adorable that I can't wait to show it to you. I want to remind everybody that we are doing our first giveaway next Tuesday. I'm going to be spinning the wheel to see who gets this cute little cactus craft set. It comes with the pots and paint to paint them and the little clay to mold your little cactuses. So we're going to be doing that next Tuesday. And so if you do want to be entered into that contest, just make sure that you go back to the video where I did a demonstration of these little pots and made the craft myself. So it will be linked in the description below, and it'll be also my end little video suggestion. So make sure if you haven't commented over there to stop by and comment over there so that you'll be entered in that drawing if you're interested. So today we're going to be doing these little containers, and again, you can put whatever you want in them. So it was super cute, and my granddaughter helped me paint some of the containers, so that was fun. And I enjoyed my time with her this week. So if you enjoy the content of these videos, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Let's get to the video.